My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, you just do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so basically, we back. Early sneaker review. Again, I did 2 early ones yesterday, and I'm doing 2 more today. And I thought about this, so I was kind of fighting with the urge of, since I'm doing 2 today, I was fighting with the urge of keeping this same intro for both videos, but I thought they deserve better than that, because y'all take the time to watch my videos, so I need to take the time to actually make authentic intros. Like, so I'm not gonna put the same intro in both videos. That's not fair to y'all. That's lame, and it's just straight lazy. So I don't know which video y'all watching right now. This could be the first one, this could be the second one, I don't know, but 2 sneaker reviews will be out today. Y'all make sure y'all check out both of them. Yeah, so y'all know the drill. This is my intro. I'm gonna give y'all the review, and then I'm gonna come back after the review to give y'all some proper information, like sales price, and blah blah and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, we cooking. We got another Jordan review, early review. See that black Jumpman box, red Jumpman in the center. I said Jumpman box. I mean Jordan box. You know what I mean. All right, get to the description. Boom, we got the Air Jordan 5 Retro OG, black, white, metallic, silver. As you see, this is size 12. This is not my personal pair, but I can tell you right now, I will be copping these. This is a automatic cop for me once you see what I'm talking about. But, oh, boom, there we go right there. And wow, this is a giant shoe, because like it is a size 12, but let's get this out the way. Got that black tissue paper, nothing special. Hey, put this up here. Set that back, and without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 5 Metallic. Boom. Okay, so we got the Air Jordan 5. I think they black metallic or metallic. I forgot the name of these, but these are, if I'm not mistaken, this is a reimagined version of these, of the metallics that came out. And I don't know the original year, but you know, when I get home, I'll give y'all some proper information about it. But right there, see the Nike Air on the back. Y'all know y'all love it when Nike Air, not Jordan. See the Nike Air hang tag right there. White laces. What's this, like nubuck? I think this is nubuck, if I'm not mistaken. I don't want to say suede, but I think it's nubuck. Going around the upper of the shoe, or the majority of the shoe. Got the silver nets right there. Got the, I'm pretty sure this is 3M. Got a 3M tongue right there with the Jumpman in the center. Got right there, Nike Air for that clear, what are they called? They call not pull tabs, but lace locks. There we go, lace lock. The red one, lace lock, and you got the little clear on it. Oh, got the silver shark teeth on the midsole with the speckles of black. Translucent bottom right there. Jumpman under that. Air bubble right there. Bubble unit right there. It does come with some extra laces, as you can see. The black laces right here. I mean, this is a dope shoe. I mean, I never had the original pair. I think Will Smith and the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air made these popular because he was wearing a bunch of Jordan 5s, like the grapes. And I can't wait for the grapes to come out because they are dropping in 2025 also. I need to double up on them. That's my second favorite shoe behind the white cements, which is also dropping 2025 that I need to double up on. So it is a lot of Jordans, classic Jordans dropping this year that I need to double up on. I think I'm just gonna be the thumbnail right there. I like that thumbnail. But yeah, it's a dope shoe. What y'all think about this shoe? Air Jordan upside down on the inside of the tongue. Definitely a cop for me. Like I said, not a personal pair right here. This is a big size 12. I have a 8.5, 9. So, but I wanted to give y'all this early review. So, all right, let's get back to the spot so I can give y'all some proper information about this shoe. Ooh, okay, I am home. Let me see if I can put this up so I don't have to hold it. Because every time I'm recording when I get home. Hold up. Boom, 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 boom. Fix that right there. Okay, we good. We good, because I really did not feel like holding the camera up. Anyway, all right, so get my other phone. Y'all know the drill. About to give y'all some information. About to give y'all some information about the actual shoe off a legit site. So hold on, let me just get this real quick. I hope y'all enjoyed the little review I did on that. And the name of the shoe is Black Metallic. I think I was just saying metallic or something like that, but it's the Black Metallic. But they are they reimagined? I feel like they're reimagined. Yeah, they are reimagined. Okay, so I got some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Let me clear these ads real quick. There we go. Hold up, that's why these ads. Hold up. They always pop up with all these ads, and I feel like every time I close one, another one pop up. How do I do screen record? There we go. Boom. All right, 2, 1, and it should be up right now, right there, right next to me, or right there. I think it's right there. Anyway, you can read along with me. All right, Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined releases February 2025. The Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic has become a timeless icon since its debut in 1990, embodying Michael Jordan's on-court dominance and off-court style. Throughout its history, this iteration has been re-released multiple times, each time igniting favor among sneaker enthusiasts. In spring 2025, Jordan Brands aims to honor the legacy of the metallic Air Jordan 5 by reimagining them to closely resemble the original pair, but with a twist. From the sleek black upper to the metallic silver accents captures the essence of the iconic silhouette while introducing a few additions. So this is a reimagined version of it, but they're trying to keep it like the OG. They probably just going to add a little twist to it. I never had the original pair of the black metallic, so I wouldn't be able to tell you the difference, but I'm pretty sure this article is going to be able to tell you the difference. All right. The 2025 iteration of the Air Jordan 5 is set to join Jordan Brand's reimagined lineup, staying true to its iconic design roots. Sporting a sleek black nubuck upper. I did say nubuck, didn't I? Did I say nubuck or did I say suede? I think I might have said suede. I think I said nubuck. I can't even remember what I said. It remains the timeless appeal while infusing modern touches. White accents grace the Nike Air branding on the heel tabs, while metallic silver, the 3M reflected tongue, and the shark teeth. Subtle black speckles on the midsole. A vibrant touch of fire red highlights the Jumpman on the tongue and the Air Jordan inscription placed upside down on the inner tongue. This is all things that I did show y'all. I don't think I showed the upside down on the tongue, but I think I said it. Adding to something that goes with the 3M piping throughout the white laces. Okay, reminiscent of MJ's player exclusiveness. Classic features such as translucent mesh gnashing and a visible air unit in the heels remain intact, all poised atop a translucent rubber outsole. This blend of traditional and innovation promises a refresher take on the beloved silhouette. All right, so I didn't really catch what he said was different about it, but I mean, I probably just skimmed over a little bit. These set to release February 8th at 2:10. So yeah, 2:10 February 8th is the set time. I'm not gonna read all this. Here goes some more pictures of it. I like them though. I like them with the white laces. I think didn't the original just have black laces? I like the white lace. The white laces make it pop some more. Like I like those. I'm not really a fan of 5s, which kind of make me feel like a hypocrite because I used to say that 5s was my second silhouette. But I like these. I like these. I mean, the only 5s I really like is the Fresh Prince, which is also dropping this year. February is a big month, man. Like you got these, got the KDs. I think some other Kobe's drop. February is gonna be a month where I am broke. I'm already saying this right now. So, but good thing is it's not right now, so I can save up, stack up my money. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 5 black metallic. Black metallic. Yeah, reimagined. Black Metallic Reimagined. What we got? Yeah, Black Metallic Reimagined. There we go. Is it a copper drop for y'all? Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks. I know y'all can't see it. And the whole Toon Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.